Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. The product that I'll be reviewing today is one of the product which has become a necessity during this time of pandemic, and there are many companies coming out with these products during these times of the pandemic. And the product that I'm speaking about is a veggie wash. A wash to basically clean the vegetables and the fruits that you buy from outside. So basically, with the ever increasing fear about the coronavirus, people have become more hygienic. They are looking out for things to maintain hygiene. And one of the products that is very popular in the market nowadays is the veggie wash. So the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is a veggie wash from Dabur. So Dabur has also come out with a veggie wash to clean your vegetables and fruits, and it's called a veggie wash by Dabur. So this is the product that we will be reviewing today. So let's get down to the review of the product. So this is the Dabur veggie wash product. Basically, it's a vegetable and fruit wash to get rid of all the germs, bacteria, fungus, viruses from the fruits and vegetables that we buy from the market. So it was very hygienic to use this, because it will get rid of all these germs and bacteria from the market, because you don't know how many people have touched a vegetable or the fruit that you are purchasing from the market, right? So it was a very good practice to clean the fruits and vegetables using a veggie wash, and this has become a very popular product in the market nowadays. Like, everybody is using a veggie wash to keep themselves hygienic and safe from diseases. So I would recommend using a veggie wash to all my users, because it will help you all clean the fruits and vegetables more conveniently, because we can't use soap, right? We can't use soap water or a disinfectant on eatables, on vegetables, on fruits. We can't use these disinfectants, and hence this is the product that we should be using, which is a veggie wash that will get rid of all the germs and bacteria and viruses and even fungus from the fruits and vegetables. So yeah, so let's get down to the review of the product that we have at hand, that is the Dabur veggie wash. So let's start with the packaging of the product. The product comes in a very simple packaging, which is a white bottle. So this is a white bottle here that they have, and then they have the branding label here. So first thing that they mention on the branding label, that this veggie wash removes germs, bacteria and fungus from the vegetables and fruits which are washed in this. Next, they have mentioned the brand, which is Veggie Wash. They have given the name of the product, which is Veggie Wash by Dabur. The Dabur branding is here. And then they have the image of different fruits and vegetables here on the label itself. Next thing that they have here is a big sign here saying that no preservative residue smell. So you won't have any residue smell on your vegetables and fruits after washing them with the Dabur Veggie Wash. So you can be like completely keep your mind free that the fruits and vegetables that you wash with the Dabur veggie wash are not going to smell like some chemical, right? And this is 100% safe. That is what the company is stating here, that this Dabur veggie wash is 100% safe. Fruits and vegetables washed using the Dabur veggie wash are 100% safe to be consumed. Right down here and the fine print, we have this is a soap free, chlorine free and alcohol free product. So there's no chlorine, there's no soap involved, there's no alcohol involved in this product. So this is completely soap free, chlorine free and alcohol free product from Dabur here. So this is all the info that is available on the front side of the label or the bottle of the Dabur veggie wash. Let's move to the back side. So on the back side of the veggie wash bottle, we can see again we have the veggie wash by Dabur branding here, and then they have mentioned the ingredients. So this is a chlorhexidine gluconate solution. It's a chlorhexidine gluconate solution, and the active ingredients of this product are chlorhexidine gluconate, which helps to get rid of germs and bacteria and the fungus on the eatables that we purchase, like fruits and vegetables. So how to use this product? So the way to use it is very simple. They are giving you how to use it here. I'll go more in detail on how to use it later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. Moving on, they have mentioned a few caution here in the fine print. So in caution they have said, keep out of reach of children, do not use directly on cut fruits. So do not use it on fruits that are already cut. Vegetables and mushrooms, do not use it for mushrooms. In case of contact with eye, rinse thoroughly with water, consult a doctor if irritation persists. General cautions given here. Safe for hands during washing. So this product is safe on your hands while washing. For external use only, do not take a drink on it. Storage condition, store in a cool and dry place. Coming to the quantity, the net quantity of the Dabur Veggie Wash is 500 ml. And then the MRP of this product is rupees 289 for 500 ml. Then they have mentioned the batch number and the manufacturing date and the expiry date. So the Dabur Veggie Wash has a shelf life of 2 years. So for 2 years this product will give you 100% germ, will remove germs, bacteria and fungus from your fruits and vegetables. So it has a shelf life of 2 years, right? Okay. So that is all the information available on the packaging right here. This bottle comes with a push-up cap, like a sipper. So you just need to push it up and then you can pour in the solution in a bowl wherever you want to wash the vegetables in. It also has this cap which opens up. If you want to directly pour, you can open up and pour it, right? So this is also available. So very convenient, because this cap is very convenient because it doesn't spill when it is closed, so it won't spill anywhere. Only if you push it up and open will it come out, like when you press the bottle it will come out. So less wastage because of the cap. Coming to the how to use this product, or how to use the Veggie Wash by Dabur. So all you need to do is take a vessel. In that you need to add 1 liter of water, and to that 1 liter of water you need to add 10 ml of the Dabur Veggie Wash, right? Then you just need to soak your fruits and vegetables in that solution for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes you just need to take the fruits and vegetables and rub them individually so that the solution is applied everywhere on every corner of the vegetable and the fruit. And then after 3 minutes you just rinse it under tap water. You rinse your fruits and vegetables under tap water in a strainer or another vessel or something, and just rinse it out. Strainers are much better so that there's no water getting collected. So use a strainer to rinse the fruits and vegetables, and that's it. Like, your fruits and vegetables are germ free and bacteria free post that. So this is a wonderful product and really useful during the times of the pandemic, because you want your family's safety is first for you. So a very useful product to use during the time of pandemics, and generally as well, to maintain hygiene and keep bacteria and germs away. So very nice product here, Veggie Wash by Dabur. Guys, let me know if you all have used the product. You all can leave a review on the same in the comment section below. And guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos on products.